Now, from your trusted team of meteorologists at Panhandle Weather, this is a tropical weather update.
Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on when it comes to what's going on in the tropics. We have a new tropical storm. It is Melissa churning down across the Caribbean. You can see the storm system has gotten much better organized as it passes just north of the ABC Islands there and passing south of Hispaniola. Obviously, a system we'll want to keep a close eye on. I'm not overly concerned as far as a threat to us in northwest Florida, but it is just kind of meandering around the Caribbean right now, moving off towards the west, but eventually it will kind of slow down and move off towards the north and west. Plenty of moisture associated with it. You can see lots of dry air in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere over the Gulf, which is probably going to lead to this thing not wanting to go much farther to the west, and that's a good thing for us. So there's Tropical Storm Melissa. You see it moving off towards the west, northwest, eventually off to the north. Notice, though, moving very, very slowly, and that's going to be problematic with this storm system as it just kind of hangs around the Caribbean, possibly becoming a hurricane here over the next 5 days. American model shows this system spinning down across the Caribbean. It does eventually move across Hispaniola, weakens somewhat, and then tries to get a little bit better organized and eventually makes its way a week from now. So a week from now, still into the Atlantic, moving up. So it's going to spend quite a bit of time down across Cuba, Jamaica, Hispaniola, Puerto Rico, that area. They're going to have to watch out very carefully for the threat of some very heavy rainfall. And you can see that with our in-house computer model. Look at the rainfall totals. Now, thankfully, a lot of this over land, but as this storm moves to the west and northwest, we'll start to see it interact with some of the mountainous countries down there, and that's going to squeeze out more rainfall. And these are rainfall totals just out for the next couple of days. So we have big-time problems potentially because of the slow movement of Melissa. Now, when it comes to the intensity forecast track, it'll kind of bounce around in the tropical storm strength, but notice as we move throughout time, there's a possibility we could approach near hurricane status, and some of the models even as high as a Category 2 hurricane. So certainly bears watching. Obviously, we have Melissa right now. No signs of Nestor, which will be your next named storm.